Today we show you how to use the vacuum sealer rolls. We just want the rest that we need. Now we cut the required length. Just cut the length we need. Okay. Okay, do this one. Both sides are opening. Now we need to seal one side first. We put the bag into the back lever and make sure it's smooth enough. Okay, now we just choose the mold seal. Okay, we take it out. Let me show you. This side is sealed already. Not like this. So we put the food inside. Okay. Now we need to vacuum seal another side. We put the bag into the back lever again and close the vacuum sealer. This time we choose the vacuum seal mode and dry food. Okay, and start. Okay. Let me show you. It's all finished. Thank you so much.